The landmark judgment by Justice Shahid Karim of the Lahore High Court, declaring Section 124A of the Pakistan Penal Code, PPC, as void as a whole and inconsistent with the fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, 1973, is a significant step towards upholding freedom of speech and expression in the country. The judgment recognizes that sedition laws, which have their historical origins in colonial rule, are a relic of autocracies and are not compatible with modern democratic principles. The judgment highlights that freedom of speech and expression, including freedom of the press, are essential foundations of a democratic society and basic conditions for its progress. It emphasizes that the right to criticize the government and express opinions on matters of public importance is a core value of any legal system based on constitutionalism. The judgment also refers to international standards, such as Article 19 of the Constitution, which guarantees freedom of speech and expression, and Article 10 of the European Convention for the Protection of Human Rights and Fundamental Freedoms, which recognizes the right to freedom of expression without interference by public authority. The judgment notes that Section 124A of PPC, which defines sedition as an agreement, communication, or other preliminary activity aimed at inciting treason or commotion against public authority, has the effect of inhibiting the free press and stifling voices of dissent. It emphasizes that freedom from colonial rule was meant to usher in freedom of thought, and that it is impermissible for citizens to be vilified and persecuted by allowing such colonial provisions to remain part of the legal system. The judgment underscores the importance of constitutional rights, particularly the right to freedom of speech and expression, in a democratic society, and emphasizes that the purpose of the law should be to protect these rights rather than to suppress them. It upholds the dedication of the people of Pakistan to the preservation of democracy achieved through their struggle against oppression and tyranny, and emphasizes that raising voices against oppression and tyranny should not be stifled by sedition laws. Overall, the judgment reflects a progressive approach toward protecting and promoting freedom of speech and expression in Pakistan and upholding the values of democracy and constitutionalism. It sets a positive precedent for safeguarding fundamental rights and ensuring that oppressive colonial-era laws are struck down in favor of a more democratic and inclusive legal framework.